Hi, I'm Jennifer Okhovat, and welcome to my listing at 8356 West 4th Street in Los Angeles, California. This is the kind of home everyone dreams of. To have all of the amenities that this property offers, plus privacy and location, makes this extremely exceptional. This exquisite residence has been designed with the finest appliances and finishes, including Jerusalem stone, natural Taj Mahal quartzite, and Fleetwood sliding glass doors. The main level offers a very open floor plan with an open kitchen design and a second room that could either be used as a formal dining room or additional living space. If you live here, you can take full advantage of numerous indoor-outdoor entertaining areas, not to mention the large custom pool and spa. I'm currently sitting downstairs in the theater of this home. This property has a 2,000 square foot finished basement, which is really rare in LA. What I love about the basement level is that there's so many ways you can get creative with it. Here I've created a game room, an office, a theater, an additional bedroom. You have so much flexible space that you could use here. The basement is large enough to have an entire family live in it on its own. The second level offers 3 large bedrooms and 3 baths. Every bedroom in this home has its own private bath. The master retreat features a relaxing fireplace, 2 private patios, elegant bath, and large walk-in closet. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have any interest in this home or want to take a look at it in person, leave me a comment or send me a message. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more homes coming soon.